Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen preparing dips, sauces, and smoothies? Look no further than the Magic Bullet, the culinary multi-tool that can whip up delicious concoctions in as little as 10 seconds. It's your kitchen's new best friend, and I'm here to tell you why. If you're interested in learning more about Magic Bullet Personal Blender 3-piece set, please click on the link in the description below. Versatility beyond imagination. The Magic Bullet is not just a kitchen appliance, it's a magician that turns ingredients into culinary wonders. With its handy, versatile, and incredibly easy-to-use design, this compact wonder gadget is a game changer. It fits seamlessly on your countertop while showcasing unparalleled speed and versatility. The need for speed: imagine making a salsa that bursts with flavors, pasta sauces that taste like they've simmered for hours, and frosty milkshakes that rival your favorite ice cream parlor's creations, all in just 10 seconds. That's the kind of magic the Magic Bullet brings to your kitchen. It's like having a culinary wizard at your service. One-of-a-kind design. The Magic Bullet boasts a unique design and compact size that redefine kitchen efficiency. Forget about assembling multiple kitchen appliances. This all-in-one solution handles blending, chopping, mixing, whipping, and more, all in record time. It's a space saver that maximizes performance. Cleanup made effortless. One of the most dreaded parts of cooking is the cleanup, but not with the Magic Bullet. Its wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments ensures that cleaning is a breeze. No more scrubbing, soaking, or struggling with hard-to-reach nooks and crannies. The Magic Bullet simplifies your kitchen routine from start to finish. A culinary companion for every occasion. Whether you're craving a refreshing smoothie, experimenting with new cocktail recipes, or whipping up delectable sauces for your meals, the Magic Bullet is your go-to companion. It adapts to your culinary needs and delivers every time, with consistent quality and speed. Safe and sound. Safety is paramount in the kitchen, and the Magic Bullet takes it seriously. Its components are not only dishwasher safe but also microwave safe, giving you the flexibility to create and heat your culinary masterpieces without worry. Compact and convenient. The Magic Bullet's compact size means it won't hog valuable counter space. When you're done creating your culinary delights, it's easy to store, making it an ideal kitchen companion for those with limited space. In conclusion, the Magic Bullet is a culinary game changer. With its unique design, lightning-fast performance, and easy cleanup, it simplifies your kitchen routine, allowing you to focus on what matters most: enjoying delicious homemade creations. So, whether you're blending smoothies, whipping up sauces, crafting cocktails, or experimenting with culinary wonders, the Magic Bullet is your secret weapon. Say goodbye to time-consuming kitchen tasks and hello to culinary magic in 10 seconds or less. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.